Okay, part 2. So we have the 10 frame for the yellow and the 10 frame for the other add-in for our number sentence. So here is the morning work paper. As you can see, it's +8. Then I'm going to flip it over. There is the homework side. Right now for today, we are just going to do the morning work side. So let me turn it a little bit so it's not crooked. So the first thing I do is always the same. Pick up my pencil and write my name. Thank you. Okay, so as you can see, this is a +8 paper. We have +8, +8, +8, +8, +8. So I'm going to take my marker, if I can get the cap off. And I'm going to circle all of the red add-ins. So it'd be the 1, 2, 6, and 8. The other color, the other add-in would be the yellow. So we have 8. Go ahead and count them fast. 5, 6, 7, 8. How many does that 8 want to steal? Yup, 2 of them. So from the red add-in, he is going to steal 2. So let's come down here. Our first one is 8 + 7. Well, I already have 8. So now I need to put 7 on the 10 frame. Count with me, please. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have my 8 + 7. Well, how many is that 8 going to steal again? 2. Here we go. Let's steal 2. 1, 2. So when he stole 2 of them, he made a 10 frame. But then over here, I still have some of my reds. If I look down, I had 7 reds, but then that 8 stole 2 of them. Okay, well, I don't have 7 anymore. How many do I have now? 5. So here would be my 5. But after that 8 was stealing, how much did it make over here? It made a whole 10 frame. So I need this whole 10 frame. Remember, this is not a number 1. This is a 10. 8 plus 1 more jump would be 9. Magic C, up, straight back down. 8 plus 2 more. Well, I can do my numbers. 8, 9, 10. Now, 8 plus 6. Well, I need to fix my 10 frames. Let's get 8 on one side. Perfect. And let's get 6 on the other 10 frame. Counting fast. 5, 6. Well, this 8, it wants to steal. How many is it going to steal again? 2. So we need to come over to the reds and let's get him to steal. Ready, set, stealing. 1, 2. So once that 8 stole 2, it made a 10 frame. But I still have some left over here on the red side. So let's look down at the paper. I had 6 on the red 10 frame. But then something happened. I had 6, but then 2 of them were stolen away. So now I have 4. So 4 would be on this side. And once that 8 stole 2 of them, it made a 10 frame. So I need to write a 10 frame. Well, let's try to do this one by ourselves. What if there was 8 on this 10 frame? 5, 6, 7, 8. And then what if this other 8 stole 2 of them? 5, 6, 7, 8. He's going to steal 2 of them. 1, 2. How many would be left? 6. 6 of them would be left over. But when this yellow 8, when he stole, he made a 10 frame. So, I'm going to give you a second to look at the next 3 examples. Now, I'm going to circle my red add-in. If I have 6 on this 10 frame, let me put 6. 5, 6. What's going to happen if the yellow add-in steals 2 of them? Ready to steal? 1, 2. Ooh, what happened? 4 of them were left over. But after the yellow 8 stole them away, he made a 10 frame. So 8 plus 6 equals 14. What if I had 5 reds? Now the 8 is going to steal 2 of them. 1, 2. I would have 3 reds left over. But then once they got stolen, they're going to make a 10 frame. What if I had 4 yellows? I'm sorry, 4 reds. But then this 8 stole 2 of them. I don't have 4 anymore. 4 reds. I know, this finger needs some lotion to it. And now the 8 stealing 1, 2. How many reds do I still have? I have 2 reds. And then when this 8 stole away, it made a 10 frame. What if I have 8 reds? And then the other 8 is going to steal away. This is also a doubles fact. The 8 is not in red 8 anymore. Now it's going to be 6 reds. And it makes a 10 frame. This is the easy guy. 8 plus 0 equals 8. That's the easy one. Oopsie. There we go. Okay. What if I have 9 reds, 3 reds, 4 reds, 2 reds, and 8 reds? I will give you a second, and you can figure out your answers. If I have 9 reds, and that 8 wants to steal away, I'm not going to have 9 anymore. I go down 1, 2, I go to 7 reds, and then that 8 becomes a 10 frame. What if I have 3 reds? What if I have 3 reds? And then the 8 wants to steal to fill up a 10 frame. Well, let's help him steal. Ready? 1. 2. Ah. How much do I have left on this side? I have 1 left on that side. But then on the other 10 frame, haha, it's all filled up. So it makes a 10 frame. 4 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4. He steals away. He steals away. 2 reds with a 10 frame. What if I have 2 reds on this side and 8 on the other side? We need to steal. 1. 2. Oh no. How many is left on that side? Aww. Oopsie. 0 on that side. But on this other 10 frame, ha! A whole 10 frame. 8 reds. 5, 6, 7, 8. Take away 1. Take away 2. 6 reds with a 10 frame. Now, I will give you a second to figure out the next row all by yourself. Let me do our red add in here. 3 is going to be the red one. 8 will be the red one. 9 and 0. This one's the toughie. I know, the toughie. 8 plus 2 more. Well, I can do our number dots. 8, 9, 10. 8 plus 3 more. I can do our dots again. 8, 9, 10, 11. 11. Yep. 8 plus 8. Now, this is our doubles fact. We can think of the 8 being on that 10 frame. 5, 6, 7, 8. What if I took away a 1? Took away 2? I would have 6 reds on that side. But then on the other 10 frame, I would have a whole 10 frame. Ooh, 9 reds. So let's think. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Take away 1. Take away 2. You would have 7 reds and a 10 frame. Here's the toughie. 8 plus 0 equals 8. I'll give you a moment and you can figure out that last row all by yourself. Okay, whoopsie. What if I had 7 reds, 9 reds, 6 reds, 4 reds, and the easy one, 0 reds, 7 reds. Well, what if you had 7 on that 10 frame? 5, 6, 7. Take away 1 of them. Take away 2. How much do you still have on that top row? Count them fast. 5. Down, belly, hat. But then once this 8 stole from the 7, it made a 10 frame. What about 9 reds? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Steal. 1, 2. How many do you still have on this 10 frame? 7. But it made a 10 frame. What about 6 reds? 5, 6. But let's take away 1, 2. How many do you still have on that top row? 1, 2, 3, 4 still on that top row. And it made a 10 frame. 4 reds. 1, 2, 3, 4. But now we have to steal 2 of them away. 1, 2. You still have 2 reds. And it made a 10 frame. Here's a toughie. 8 plus 0 equals 8. Boys and girls, excellent job. If you can find one of these papers in the packet that we sent, I would love for you to be able to do this one on your own too. Think about your red add-in and then what would be the yellow add-in. You don't have to draw the red circles if you don't want to. But we think about the ones place, and then we think about the fact that there is a whole 10 frame. Remember, this is not the number 1. This is a 10. This is 10 plus 2 more on the other 10 frame. Thank you, boys and girls, for doing this with me. I miss you very much, and keep looking for our other videos that are coming very soon. Bye, boys and girls. Mwah!